A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a federal judge in Boston has issued a temporary block on the Trump administration's controversial plan to deport migrants to Libya, citing clear violations of due process rights. The ruling comes in response to alarming reports that the U.S. government was preparing to send migrants, including those from Laos, the Philippines, and Vietnam, to the war-torn North African country as part of its ongoing crackdown on immigration. Judge Brian Murphy's decision follows an emergency appeal from immigration attorneys who argued that their clients were at imminent risk of deportation to Libya, a nation plagued by civil unrest and human rights abuses. The judge emphasized that such deportations would blatantly defy an earlier injunction that mandates migrants be given a meaningful opportunity to contest their removal and demonstrate potential persecution in the destination country. The controversy escalated after U.S. officials revealed that plans were in motion to commence deportations as early as this week, leading to swift action from immigration lawyers. According to court filings, multiple credible sources indicated that flights were being prepared to transport migrants to Libya, prompting urgent legal intervention. In his ruling, Judge Murphy underscored the importance of due process, stating, "The Department of Homeland Security may not evade this injunction by ceding control over non-citizens or the enforcement of its immigration responsibilities to any other agency, including but not limited to the Department of Defense." This statement highlights the judiciary's role in safeguarding the rights of migrants against potential government overreach. The uproar surrounding the deportation plans has drawn sharp criticism from various quarters, including Libyan Prime Minister Abdul Hamid Dbeibah, who publicly rejected the notion of Libya being used as a destination for deported migrants. In a statement on social media platform X, Dbeibah asserted that Libya would not accept migrants under any circumstances, further complicating the administration's efforts. In response to inquiries about the deportation strategy, President Donald Trump appeared unaware of the specifics, directing questions to the Department of Homeland Security. The administration's approach to immigration has faced scrutiny, with reports suggesting that Libya is just one of several countries being considered for the deportation of migrants. Other nations mentioned include Rwanda, Benin, Angola, Equatorial Guinea, Eswatini, and Moldova, although the exact number of individuals targeted for deportation remains unclear. The situation in Libya adds another layer of complexity to the administration's plans. Since the overthrow of former leader Muammar Gaddafi in 2011, the country has been divided between rival factions, with the western part under a UN-backed government and the eastern region controlled by military strongman General Khalifa Haftar. This instability raises serious concerns about the safety and treatment of deported migrants. As the Trump administration continues to push forward with its mass deportation campaign, legal experts warn that such tactics may lead to significant backlash both domestically and internationally. The administration has previously employed controversial measures, including invoking a centuries-old wartime law to expedite deportations. In an unprecedented move, the government recently offered migrants in the U.S. illegally a financial incentive of $1,000 to voluntarily leave the country, a tactic that has drawn criticism for its ethical implications. The ongoing legal battles and political maneuvers surrounding immigration policy underscore the contentious nature of the issue in the United States. With the judge's ruling serving as a temporary reprieve for migrants facing deportation to Libya, the future of the administration's immigration strategy remains uncertain. As the situation develops, the implications for both migrants and U.S. foreign policy will continue to unfold, raising critical questions about human rights and the responsibilities of nations in addressing the global migration crisis. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.